Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, as I said before, I'm here to let the world know what is going on into the world. Okay, but first I want everyone to subscribe. Big respect to all of my subscribers. Okay, so this one is Pop the Balloon or Find Love. Okay, same thing, Jamaican edition. You understand? Wondering if it's a prank, guys. You understand? But let's get right into it.
Nah, chip. Got it, night. Chips.
Chip,
Watching the man where I start.
subscribe, guys. You understand? Subscribe. And do subscribe to this channel as well. One Code Music, okay? Alright.
For the first female. You ready? Long time. I know you ready long
Ready.
time. Let's see it. Alright, then watch her now. But you can't wait until she reach out to her. Good? Alright then. Scoot long a little bit more. I eat that. Send in the first female for me, please.
Hey.
This side. Come to this side.
So what?
Come to this, yeah.
Okay, fuck you.
Come to.
Really, bro?
Stand up here.
Just
Fuck you too, bitch.
Alright.
bro, in.
Bow, bow, bow. Fuck all you niggas.
Bro,
Pop
this
that
female
shit.
don't come to like what she's here about, bro.
Alright.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Chanel.
Chanel, alright. What type of guy you like,
Chanel
Chanel?
sound like no one want her where she was before, so she fly down into Jamaica to find love. Because by using this accent, bro, she's not speaking Jamaican, bro.
None of these niggas.
What's your type though?
You are funny.
No, Snoop.
What's your type though?
I don't really have a type.
You don't have a type?
No.
You just go for what you go for?
Yes.
Alright, where you from? Hear the accent?
Toronto.
Toronto. That's how you
See, Toronto, bro. I'm telling you, like no cap, she don't use a Jamaican accent, bro.
turn up over there?
How?
It's like you tell everybody to yeah.
That's how she do it over
Alright,
here,
so we got
bro.
some
They can't
pop, so we're
tell.
gonna find out why them pop, okay?
Oh God.
Alright, who you want to start with first?
Bro, yo, like my mindset is different, bro. You understand? I figure it out before it even happened, bro. I know she's from somewhere different, bro. You understand? She just fly down to try find love, bro. Because in no way you're gonna treat guys like that and get love. See right here now they pop the balloon. Let's see if she's gonna find love.
Him?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Alright, your name IG? Why you pop balloon?
Upset. And the reason I'm popping balloon, you have no manners.
I don't.
The attitude, turn up my
Yeah,
love.
man, we've been waiting for so long. Sorry.
She's waiting for long for what?
No matter that alone still.
Attitude.
Yeah.
You know, like our attitude.
No.
What you say about that?
Sucks.
Sucks.
Yeah.
That's your attitude on the all?
Yeah. No, it's like, you know what it was? We were waiting in the hot sun.
Okay.
And then the niggas just came on hot, popping the balloons.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Alright. So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Definitely she can get a 9 still.
9.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. What you like about her?
She have a nice, she's skin tone nice and she have a good face expression.
Alright. Alright. What do you think about him?
Yeah, vibes. He's cute.
He's cute?
Yeah, he's cute.
Bro, she's not gonna find no love, bro. Like she's over disrespectful. You understand? Yo, really, bro?
Yeah.
How much did I give him from 1 to 10?
7.
7.
Yeah.
What you like about him though? Forget her 7.
Eyes. His eyes. He has nice eyes.
Him eye.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. No problem. I'm all good on the line.
Yeah.
Yes guys, you know it's about Upset and we're there in a rolling video. So I say you can follow him on IG at king underscore
Yeah, man,
upset
big up
underscore
yourself,
100.
King. You look upset. You get the girl upset,
Come on
bro.
this side.
As a top John Cross Snoopy.
Alright. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
She said she didn't like nobody in the line, so it didn't make no sense. I kept on to the balloon, you know? I don't like embarrassment.
Oh, so because she not like you, that's why.
She didn't like nobody here, she said. So I must listen to her words, you know?
Alright. So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
9.
9.
Yeah,
What you like about her?
everything. But her attitude.
Okay. Alright. What do you think about him?
My dogs.
Oh, your dogs.
Yeah.
So your friends own him?
Yes. My dogs.
They both sound like a plating, bro. Bro, not a real person can do this pop balloon shit and just be honest, bro. Like, just be honest.
Life.
So you would have a chance though?
No, it's my brother.
Alright.
This is it.
Seems like
yo,
a
yo, yo,
play
it's
thing.
your boy DJ Snoopy, Canada's most requested DJ. You feel me? You can follow me on Instagram, IAM DJ Snoopy. You get me?
Your name? Why pop the balloon?
Anje, manners, she don't know manners you see, but differently she can go on still. Skin tone up them. Alright.
Alright, how much you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I give her a 8 still.
8.
Man, I give her 8 man, but the rest of it, manners and it can go on man. Yeah man.
Alright, what you think about him?
He's cute.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's cute.
How much you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Maybe like a 7.
7?
Yeah.
Why 7?
I don't know.
Just a game of 7, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, 7.
Really, bro?
Alright, my G. Alright with that?
Can go on man. Alright.
Yeah?
Active man.
I'm gonna go down the line.
Don't know say Anje Clark is the Anje CL on IG, but
Okay.
Your name, my G? Why pop the balloon?
Hey, the youth, yeah. Yo, they can't know say, something not right. I said, no, something is not right.
I want that button of the enjoys, man, believe.
He's fake, first of all.
No.
Before you even start. Behind the scenes. And then you pop the balloon on me.
Yeah, man, because you know manners, man. I don't know where they get it from. Because you will all walk and come, you see think get it straight, but boy, I tell you, we have a puppy balloon.
What?
Straight what you
Hey,
mean?
she look lean for real, guys. Like, look on her shoulders. Seems like the work she do is just have her like that. Like, bro, you carry yourself like lady. Fix up yourself, lady.
Socially, like, should I carry it on one side, my dog?
Alright.
Even
Yeah,
if you, bro, she's lean.
She
for
look
real.
good still, you know, boy.
How much you rate her from 1 to 10?
You know, I
Bro,
tell no lie
overall,
still.
bro, it's just the manners, bro. She's just chewing the gum like that into the mic, bro. Like, be respectful, bro. Even if you don't find much. Yo, God no. Bro, even if I'm single, bro, I'm not gonna be right here, bro. Because these ladies not gonna deal. You know what I say? Just me, bro. Just me. Single or not, bro.
Boy,
taking,
she have too much
I'm not
makeup
gonna
on the
be
face, but me that give her 1 tree still.
3 out of 10?
She never expect that. She never expect.
Should I get all 0 too?
See there?
Yeah.
You da give her 0.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because she not know manners. And then she kind of slant so like he can't wait when he's small. Me don't know. You see me?
Okay. Alright. What do you think about him?
I don't know. It's like behind the I think you're doing it for the camera. Because behind the scenes you were on my pussy. So
I was
don't know
just-
how- No,
I was just
you were
I was just
gassing
trolling
it.
you, bro.
You're just troubling you,
Yeah,
bro.
I was just
no.
trolling you.
These niggas do it for the YouTube. Tell you that much.
Bro, you ain't crip, dog. So,
What?
Crib?
Yeah,
Yo.
so
Hey, this guy, yo.
it's a tree for me, though. I'm
Yeah.
done. Miss Hilly D, let's a tree, done.
3.
Yeah.
Alright. How much you da rate him from 1 to 10 though?
In real life, I probably would have gave him like a 6, but because he capped, a 0.
0.
Cappers, please stop capping. Yeah.
Alright.
But me want you walk with Grace and Kennedy, yeah?
I walk with God.
Walk with Grace and
walk with
Kennedy.
God.
Walk with Grace and Kennedy.
Okay.
I'm over down the line.
Yes, it's a boy Rapbat on TikTok and IG, it's Rushy Z-Tech. Yeah, man. I want to pop the balloon, as me sinful.
Come to this side, man. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, no, so one Ricky. Where she walk in for a while, boy. I tell you. One of my type still.
Any your type?
No. You walking alone kind of turn me
Bro,
off.
the thing is not because you're from like an overseas, like you're an overseas person. Jamaicans don't frighten for you. Trust me, bro. Like, don't just pop up like you're from, oh, I'm from Canada. Just fly in. Okay, guys gonna scream, hey, look at this girl. No. From you do not have no manners. Walk with Grace and Kennedy. Okay? Yes.
The type of dressing. Yeah. She not just for the crowd, you know? She just fling on something.
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
she just, you know, kind of turn off for me still.
No.
So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
What's wrong with this female, bro? Never gonna find love. Not even in Toronto, bro. Maybe it's one of those guys that do not want to even find love himself. You understand? Like, bro, have little respect for your even self, bro. You understand?
Yeah, 5.
5.
Yeah.
Because I dressed in?
Yeah, to kind of, and walking also too.
The walk?
Yeah.
What walk?
You
What walk?
Like, if her foot are kind of sick or, you know.
Hey. Yo, I don't know. What is that guy name? Troubling TV. Hey, maybe Troubling just like have to work with her, bro. You do not want any disrespect after this, bro. Like, she said, "What walk?" He said, "What walk?" He's confused, bro. How much walking? It's just one walking, bro.
What happened with
What do you
my
mean?
walk? Let me walk alone.
When she did come in earlier, she did walk on one side. Every man is supposed to do
Yeah,
that.
you walking lean for
I don't
real.
know, but I don't know if I should do it or I don't know.
Okay.
5 for me, though.
5 for you.
Why are you dying?
Alright,
Like,
so what do you
she's
think about
like
him
this,
though?
You know, all
Cute.
the time.
He's
Even
cute.
if she's
Cute?
trying to fix
Yeah.
it.
So much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
7.5.
7.5.
I actually think he's cute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They asked me, am I a type?
I don't have a type, but like
Oh.
you're cute.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you'd actually see yourself with him?
Not really, but like he's not ugly. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, my G?
Yeah. You know, say, yeah, boy, I will look for Ricky. Find me upon social, TikTok, Ricardo Bright, and Facebook, same thing. I say, you can't miss it.
Alright, come to this side. Alright, your name, why you pop the balloon?
9X from she walk in, you can see demons in her face, you see it?
Demons.
Yeah. Her
What
face just look
demons?
away from she forward in. She not pleasant, you see it? But she look nice still, you know. But she not come in pleasant, you know? If you look somebody, you're supposed to come in nice, you see it? She never ready.
The
But she
demons
look
in my
nice still, you
face?
see it? Good.
Demons. Oh, yes, what's the question?
Yeah, the demons. I walk with God. What demons? I
You never
rebuke
see
that
him,
in
so
the
we
name.
can't say no.
I
Never see
rebuke it in the name of Jesus.
He
No
say-
demons.
He's saying that you look
Yeah, she never look ready, you know? You know, you need to put on something, a pleasant face.
must say you look
I
calm.
should have been happy.
Yeah, I look like a warrior going.
Yeah,
You know how you
yeah.
shoot me, you see it?
The girls are about to come in worse than me. You think I'm?
Alright, so how much
Guys, subscribe, subscribe.
rate her from 1 to 10?
With her attitude and all of them things there. I get 1, 2 still.
2.
Yeah.
Too.
She just turned me off, you see it? Good.
What do you think about him?
He looks coolie. He's cute.
But him give her 2. What do you think about that 2 there?
I'm not a hater. I don't care. Once you're cute, you're cute. Like,
Okay, alright.
solid,
Are
you
you
know?
gonna see yourself going out with him?
not really, but he's not ugly.
Bro, she's gonna say that
Alright,
for
my
everyone.
G.
Good.
Good.
I mean, I say a 9X, aka the dancehall adjudicator. NYNE_X. 9X. We out.
Yes.
Alright, go down the line. Alright, your name, why you pop the balloon?
Rich, but she's cool. Just like her attitude.
I'm not here.
Her attitude still is, but she have nice teeth. Her face cute, but her body can go on too as well. So yeah, but just her attitude still.
What's her attitude?
Yeah.
What you say about that?
Sorry for my attitude, guys.
Alright. Alright.
It's not serious. It's just that.
Yeah,
it's,
like I don't know what to say. Everybody's taking the attitude thing way too
Yeah, the
deep.
attitude, my
Wait,
friend. You understand the attitude that run away my subscribers right now, my friend. You understand? People do not follow her attitude. Okay, subscribe right now, please. Yes, run it up.
I rate her from 1 to 10.
She could get a 5 still, bro. Different.
5.
Yeah.
How much did I rate her?
I give her a 5 still. Different.
5. Alright, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Not my type. The chain's fake. It's a fake bussy. I can't
You're
take
fake
this.
still, but whatever.
It is fake.
It's not. But it's whatever still. You can say what you want.
Diamond tester.
Get it, no?
Get it.
No? I'm the bitch,
Diamond
bro.
tester?
Like, get the diamond tester, bro. Like, get it. It's
How much
not
is your
fake.
chain?
It's
Get
30K
it.
from a chain. Like, the fuck?
30 US?
Like, I understand that most people broke, maybe yourself, but like, I'm not still, so like.
No, what you say?
Oh.
You're not talk up.
No, that's like.
You said he's not
honest-
broke.
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm not broke, so like, yeah.
What you say? Him chain fake?
It looks fake. I don't know. That's the first thing I
It's not
noticed.
fake. You can ask them. It's not-
Moissanite or something. I don't know
Alright,
what it
Bro,
is.
if the
Is
chain
it?
fake, bro, just say the chain fake, bro. You understand? Just say it fake, bro. Once it fake, just say it fake. If it real, it real. No cap, bro. You understand? No cap.
It's not fake. It's a 5?
We're like, yeah, we're not becoming a 5. That's some chain fake. Like, fuck, bro. Like,
Okay. Alright, how much are you rating from?
Bro, even what if the chain fake, bro? Like, yo, this female, bro. I don't like female like this, bro. Trust me. Real, fake, real. Guys, just subscribe. Trust me.
10 though?
it's real. Yeah. It's the second point. Yeah.
I'm saying watch real too.
Yes, yes, yes.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
4.
Fine.
Yeah? Why you give him a 4 though?
I actually don't think he's cute in the face.
Okay. Like him face.
Yeah, like you're not that bad, but not my type.
Yeah.
Alright, my G.
like,
Alright.
like, I don't know my type either, so like, yeah.
Alright.
So, yeah.
Alright, come down to this side.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. One Little Rich. LIKKLERICH.
Yeah, man, big up
New
yourself,
sound.
Little Rich.
Broke it. They on TikTok now. All of the bad girl them. Go and broke it out same time.
Everybody who pop the balloon, walk with grace for me now.
Someone are just like a countryman, bro.
Wow. Everybody pop them balloon.
They said my attitude sucked.
Yeah, attitude.
Ah,
Like, which month you born though?
March.
March.
It was the fucking hot sun, man. I was waiting for so long.
Jamaica's too hot.
That first pop had me on.
Bro, the first
you're
pop show, yeah.
You're waiting for so long, right? So you should be patient, right? You really want to find love. From your waiting so long, you're really desperate to find love, bro. So you're desperate came right here to an attitude, bro. Come on, bro. Don't use that, bro. You're capping yourself, bro. Trust me, you're capping.
I was like,
capping,
fuck
guys.
you, bitch.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's what it was. And then the rest of them were like, oh, why she talking like that?
Okay,
Pop, pop.
okay, alright then. So you don't know what you have to do, right?
Hey, y'all know what he's gonna say, right? Walk with grace. And the guy said, Kennedy, watch now.
What?
What?
Walk with grace.
Walk with grace.
Oh, fuck.
Wait.
What you did expect, bro? You have to walk with grace, bro. Guys, do not walk with grace right now. Just leave a subscribe before you walk with grace, okay? Yes, just subscribe, bro. Understand? This is the Jamaican pop balloon. Yo, Jano Star. Guys, subscribe. You understand? These pop balloon videos is going crazy, bro. Like these guys see the challenge. Like the edition is going viral, so they saw it, right? Everyone be like, oh, I want to be there, I want to show on camera, I want to go there, I want to do this. Bro, none of these guys is really serious, bro. If they were serious, bro, they came on the show serious, bro. You understand? But guys, big up yourself. I'm out, okay? Bye.